Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Now Oyo and I'm so happy to have you here. Today I'm very excited to unbox and review the Müeller Pro-Series Multi-Chopper and Slicer. Super excited. This versatile kitchen appliance was so viral a couple of months ago and it's still very viral, and I know I'm going to enjoy using this in my kitchen to make my food prepping a breeze, and I know you're gonna love it too once you get it in your kitchen. Let's dive right in, shall we, and take a look at what's inside the box. Very sturdy looking design, very durable. Plastic feels very firm, not cheap, good quality. Alright, so we've attached the container to the base. Let's talk about the key features of the Pro Slicer, and these are interchangeable stainless steel blades, slicers and graters that can give you different sizes of chopped vegetables and fruits. So whether you want to slice, dice, mince, chop. So these are the key features, and this is what makes this kitchen appliance very unique. And the plastics, very sturdy. So trust me, you're not going to be breaking them anytime soon. And ergonomic. It has some safety features as well that we are going to delve into. So whatever it is you want to use them for in terms of food prepping, the Pro Slicer is giving you just that. And I just love the holders. And that way you don't lose these blades. Very important feature, and they can totally be on your counter, right? So there is also a very sturdy transparent container at the base for holding any chopped vegetables or fruits that you may be doing. So the container is also very strong, very sturdy. So it has this plastic base, little plastic toes, rubber toes for holding onto the surface. So that way the container doesn't shift around whilst you are chopping or whilst you are pressing down on it. I really like this. So it stays very firm on the counter. So I really like the hard rubber base toes that it has. Very ergonomic safety features. The box also comes with a cleaning fork. So anytime you're done grating or chopping, you have this cleaning fork that you can use to remove the little bits and itsy bitsy parts, any leftovers. So that makes it very easy. If you don't have a dishwasher, trust me, this will come in handy. If you have a dishwasher, just simply put everything inside the dishwasher and it will come out super spotless, and they are dishwasher friendly as well. We're going to use the big chopper to chop a red onion. So to fix it, just insert and make sure you hear that click, and that click tells you it's fixed in securely. And we're going to take our onion and give this a go. Yay! Who else is excited? I am super stoked. So it took a bit of hard pressing because of course onion is quite hard. But yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with what I'm seeing. So this is like really nice slices. This works very well for your tomato stew, your Kobe stew, and this is literally stew onions, right? Yeah, when you want to make your tomato stew, usually that's how we slice them up. And this, like, you could actually not cry. I mean, you could do this and there's no tears, right? You don't have to cry whilst you're doing this, so your eyes are safe from a lot of tears. So these are the slightly bigger slices that you get from using the bigger chopper. Impressive. Here I have switched out to a smaller chopper, and I'm using a half onion instead of the full one because I really felt the pressure of cutting through the fuller onion or the whole onion. So I've decided to half it to see if it's much easier. So we give it a press in. Okay, so now I have much smaller chopped onions. So these are very ideal for like salads, ideal for tacos, whatever it is you want to use them for, meat pie, stir fries. So next I want to try to slice carrots and see how they come out as. So we have to detach this to fix our slicer on. So it's a simple matter of raising and lifting, easy. That came out really easy. And then we have our slicer here that we're going to fix on. Straight in, very easy, right? Super. And we're gonna connect the base of that to the container. Another easy one. And this, we're gonna use this to support whichever vegetable you want to slice, right? So it has a very comfortable fit. I like this. It's very strong, very comfortable, no sharp edges around it. Okay. And here we're gonna fix the particular slicer that we want to use. And I think I'm gonna go for, so I'm gonna go for this. Easy to lift out, see? No struggles there. And then we lift up. So make sure it fits in. That's a very nice, smooth fit. Fits in nicely there. Okay. So this, very sharp. Don't forget, guys. All right. And that wraps up my unboxing and review of the Müeller Pro-Series Multi-Chopper Slicer. I hope you found this video useful in understanding the features and benefits. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please post them below. I'll be more than happy to respond to them. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to share it as well. Have a wonderful day ahead and see you in my next video.